You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very curious name if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from religions, the Bible, and so on. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as deist, somebody who follows deism, the philosophical position, and anyhow, it's pronounced deist, one single God who created the world, deist. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.